Hey, I'm Rachel Jane. This is my channel and I talk about essential oils and natural living tips for your home, your health, your kids, yourself, whatever it is. So I got started with essential oils a few years back. I started with the premium starter kit with Young Living, and I didn't understand the entire value of the kit at first. So when I ran out of lavender essential oil for my skincare routine, I ran out and bought a lavender off the store shelf in the grocery. It was not the same, did not smell the same, didn't react the same. My skin got all bumpy and nasty. And at that point, I realized, okay, there's something to this Seed to Seal slogan that Young Living has. They do not include any toxins, any chemicals, any additives, and that makes a difference. So I then, when I got pregnant with my son, started looking into it a little bit further, and I knew that I wanted to start switching out products throughout my home that I'm already using to safer, more natural products that were toxin free. My first thing was my household cleaner. I bought Thieves household cleaner and loved it. It's very cost effective. I think it's I did the math at one point. It's $1.50 or something for a giant spray bottle about this size, because the bottle of Thieves cleaner is so concentrated. So I started there. Then I switched my DEET bug spray, which is definitely toxic, over to essential oils bug spray and pest control throughout my home, and they've worked great. So I fell in love with all of that. I have a super supportive upline, which sent me out a text program for getting started, and that way I could go through each oil individually and just learn and understand and have the bottle with me as I unpacked it and used it in the ways that the texts were suggesting. So I learned a ton that way. Our group has so much information in it, years and years of people just posting their pictures, their stories, their information about how they've used Young Living products in their actual daily life. Like, these are real people, real results. And as I followed along with that, I learned so much more and I became a believer. So I haven't looked back since. I love my essential oils and I want to share them with you because I want you to know that there's other options out there, that there can be something that's cost effective. There can be something that's completely toxic free, and it's within reach. So that's why I'm here. That's why I share, and that's why I do what I do. I skipped a couple trips to urgent care because I was supporting my wellness with essential oils. And I know that there's something else out there for you. Whatever it is that you are looking to support, there's probably a Young Living product especially for you. So that's why I share, and that's why I love the fact that I've been able to switch to toxic-free living with Young Living. So if that's you, if you're here because you're wondering about this and how to make these changes, please reach out to me. I've got my email listed in the description, and I would love to help you. I'd love to help you figure out what it is that specifically could support you, your home, your children, your pets, your spouse, your friend, whatever it is. I would love to walk with you on this journey, and yeah, I'm here. So I look forward to talking to you soon.